Hey guys, I'm Ethan Moore from Stockroom Supply. So my neighbor Chris came over and he wanted to borrow a sanding mop. So I asked him what he was doing with it, and he's doing something I've never heard of someone do before. So I want to try it for myself. So he's doing some trim work, and he was filling these little joints here with spackling, as you often would. But what he was doing then, he was waiting for them to dry, and then using the sanding mop to sand that with all the little contours and everything. He said it worked really, really well. So we're going to try it for ourselves and see how it goes. Okay, so we got our spackling here. And this is pink to start with, and then as this dries, that's going to turn white. So we're just going to fill this. We got a little extra there, but that's okay. We'll fill that up. Try to clean up. Alright, let me just get a paper towel and I'll clean the excess off there. Then we'll let that dry. Okay, so it's all dry. You can see it's white, no longer pink. There's one spot towards the bottom here. I should have put a little more spackling in there, but I didn't. But that's okay. We'll see how the sanding mop does, and we can apply a little more if we need to. Alright, let's sand it. Let's do the other direction. It is actually working really good. Wow. Let me finish this up here, and then we'll show you the finished product. Get nice and close there, Kate. Yeah, you can't really tell, but that worked quite good, actually. So yeah, that actually worked quite good. I'm pretty impressed. So there's just another thing you can do with your sanding mop. Now, I was using a 220 grit regular mop. I probably wouldn't want to go any coarser than that. But yeah, worked pretty good. If you guys have any questions, feel free to email me at info@stockroomsupply.com or just comment on the video. Thanks for watching.